If you've been struggling with technical analysis, then this is the teaching for you. Over the last 9 years trading the Forex markets, I've been able to break the markets down in simple terms because of a simple price action trading knowledge that I've been able to use, my students have been able to use, and we have been able to gain our results, okay? And that's why I'm teaching this strategy out in the open on YouTube, so that you guys can also be able to replicate this particular strategy and be able to make massive profits with it, okay? So this teaching is going to be very, very important. So grab your pen, grab your book, and let's get on to today's teaching. Okay, so officially I'm going to be reintroducing you guys to my system, okay? And it is known as a top-down analysis system, where we break down the markets from the monthly time frame and take the markets to as low as the 1 hour time frame for a real-time trade entry opportunity. Okay, so how does this work? It works in a way whereby we come onto the monthly time frame, which we can see right here. You can see that this monthly time frame, this is where we are. This is the landing page of prices. Okay, so now that we are in the monthly time frame, what is the next thing that we are going to do? We are going to read the structures that will send prices to the top right here. Okay, so what are the structures that prices is currently at that we send prices to the top? We are now going to go ahead and read the entire structures. Okay, so from the top here, we saw prices make clear bearish structures originally. Okay, originally these were clear bearish structures of lower highs, lower lows, until a change of character happened. This change of character here ended this bearish movement, allowing us to know that GBPJPY is no more bearish, but GBPJPY is now bullish. Because of what? There's been a change of character. The bearish characters have been ended by prices creating an higher high. Okay, so now that price has created an higher high, what is next? We expect a discount. Okay, a discount is a movement where prices pulls down to either the 61.8 or 78.6 Fibonacci level before takeoff in the very beautiful direction of trend. So this is something that we expect, because when a discount has happened, we know that prices will pull back to the top for take profits. Okay, so now that we know that, what else are we going to do? We are now going to read all of these structures that are sending prices to the take profit right here. What are the structures? All of this push exhaustion, all of this push exhaustion, all creating clear structures of higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Okay, so prices broke an obstacle at this point. You can see this resistance, pull back to sit on it, then went higher. We're expecting another higher low, higher highs, higher low, up until the take profit level at this point. So GBPJPY is clearly very, very bullish, as we can all see. Okay, so now that we have been able to see that GBPJPY is very bullish, we can just go ahead and take this obstacle out and just zoom in prices further. Okay, and zooming in prices further, we can see that price is trading around an obstacle level. So we are now going to go ahead and say this level right here is a monthly resistance, which is also another obstacle level. Remember, I had identified this point as an obstacle in which prices broke the obstacle and came back and sat down on what? On the 78.6 level of the last higher low. So these are things that could happen when price gets to an obstacle level. So prices could either respect and pull back before breaking, or the momentum might be enough to break, then pull back and continue. So these are the different things that happens when prices get to obstacle levels. Okay, so now that we have identified the monthly resistance points where price is at, what is the next thing that we are going to go on to do? We are now going to go on and take this low right here as the last higher low point of prices. You all can see this low right here. This is the last higher low point of prices. So I'm now going to go ahead and target that this is what? A monthly higher low. So we have a monthly resistance at the top, we have a monthly higher low at the bottom, and we are now going to take this monthly higher low and this monthly resistance as our new range of focus. Okay, so this is how we are able to break down. So what did we do on the monthly time frame? Again, it's important to do this once over so you guys can be able to connect the dots again. First of all, we'll identify what is known as the CMP, which is the current market price, okay, which was what we did. Then we now read the structures that took prices to this point. We now saw that, okay, originally price was on bearish structures up until a change of character happened. Then this change of characters ended this bearish structure and pulled back for a discount. Okay, we expect this discount because after a change of character, a discount we know is coming. So when prices pull back for a discount, we know that price is pulling up to this level right here for take profits, and this move is going to send prices to the top. However, prices moves in wave pattern, so we expect all of this wave of movements up until prices get to the entire top. So what else did we do? We saw that what prices was trading around the monthly obstacle level. We identified it. Then we now went on to identify the last higher low level. So now what is next for us? We are now going to take this monthly higher low and this monthly resistance level as our new range of focus. So this is going to be data that I'm going to deal with. Okay, so now I'll now take that data to the weekly time frame. Remember, this is a pure price action top-down analysis that we do right here. If you want to learn more about our pure price action analysis, I have a mentorship program that is very, very active, is very discounted for everybody, where I teach so many parts of price action trading, multi-time frame analysis, mastering key zones, reversal drivers, high probability trades, trade management, psychology, introducing into our trading plan, so many things that I teach my students, and it's currently discounted. And you all should subscribe before prices goes back to the original price. So, you know, this link is in the description below for you to join and be part of us that are doing great in the Forex market. Okay, so now let's get on to what is going on right here. So from the top, what are we seeing here? We saw prices make all of these bearish structures originally. Then a change of character happened again, just like in the monthly time frame, right? And after a change of character, what do you expect? You expect a discount, just like in the monthly time frame. After a change of character, a discount comes in, then prices pushes up to the top. Okay, so what are the structures that took prices to the top? Okay, all of these are clear bullish structures, all of this making higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs. So I'll now go ahead and tag this level here as the last higher low points of prices. So I'm now going to go ahead and say this level right here, this is the weekly higher low level. Okay, so once again, what did we do on the weekly time frame before going down to the daily time frame? We read the bearish structures and we saw that a change of character happened here. When the change of character happened there, what the prices do? It pull back for a discount. Okay, after the discount, what do we expect? We're surprised to take off in the direction of trend, which it later did, all sending prices to this monthly resistance level. So we now did what? Identify the last higher low and took that to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we'll go further again. What is going on with prices? Okay, so from this weekly higher low level, we have the push, exhaustion, and all of these are one wave of push on the daily time frame. So we'll now go ahead and identify this as the daily higher low level. So here is the daily higher low level. This is a simple analysis we are able to use to make ends way in the Forex market. So now I'll now bring out my Fibonacci from the daily higher low, take it from the low to the high. I now saw that, okay, prices has actually hit the daily 78.6 level. So this is daily 78.6 level that price has hit. And I know, and I'm aware, right, that the daily 78.6 Fibonacci level ends retracements. Okay, so if you want to know more about how to use the Fibonacci, link is in the description below. I have a full course in written and video format on how to use the Fibonacci. So I'm aware, right, that this daily 78.6 ends a retracement, and we can see that it ended it by giving us this change of character here. Okay, so all of these structures that came to as much as this daily 78.6, price eventually closed around here and gave what? A change of character, allowing me to know that what we are pulling up to as much as this level in the direction of trend. So this is where we are going to in the direction of trend because of this change of character, and we found a daily 78.6, which is also a PRA zone. PRA means a potential reversal area. For those of you that don't know how to identify PRAs properly, link is in the description below for you to join the group so that you can be able to learn how to do that. Okay, so now remember, right, that this was the last lower high. Okay, that's what that prices, you know, did the change of characters. But let's just read the 4-hour structures before we get there and before we just get to our trade. So all of these are push, exhaustion, small structures, a bit of a bigger one. Then prices made a change of character which hit the daily 78.6, closed here, then price made this lower high, lower low, and change character right here, allowing us to know that these bearish moves are done and we are pulling up into this level in the direction of trend. However, in this case, right, after a change of character, instead of prices pulling back for a full 78.6 discount, prices only came for a shorter discount right here, then went on to make an higher high. Like I said, if you want to know how to be able to identify when prices will make full discounts and when prices will make shorter discounts, you can join my, you can get the course. Everything is written in the course, over 9 years of data in the Forex market. Okay, so now what is going on right here? We saw this change of character and we know that price is pulling down for a discount, but instead of coming to the full discount right here at 61.8, what the prices do, prices came to this particular discount here at 61.8, then took off to the top. Okay, so after that, how can we be able to join this trade once again? How can we be able to join? Now we know that price is not coming for the full discount and price is going to keep making beautiful structures of higher highs and higher lows up until prices get to take profit. Okay, so how can we be able to participate in prices at this moment? Okay, so now we can be able to participate in prices by what? We can see that this is a 78.6 level right here, and we know that 78.6 level is a very important level. Okay, so at 78.6 we can just go ahead and just target at this level here is a 78.6 potential reversal area. Okay, so we can now take this off, and this is where our opportunity now comes in on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so you can see the way top down analysis works. We start from the big time frame, but we go to as low as the 1 hour time frame in order for us to pick a real time frame entry opportunity. So here, what are we going to do? We are going to place our trade at the 78.6, hide our stop loss at the low right here. Then from here, what are we going to do? We are going to swing the trade to the high where price is going to get to for about a 1 to 5.9 risk to reward. So basically what we are trading is this. Going back to the 4 hours time frame, we are basically trading all of this bearish move, push, exhaustion, all of this bearish move. Remember, they hit a PRA and there was a change of character. After the change of character, prices pull back to the 61.8 of the last higher low right here. Then after this, what the prices do, it pushed up, made an higher high. What do I expect? Another higher low, which an higher low pull back to 78.6. And at 78.6, I decided to place in my buy, put the stop loss at the low, then ride to the high. This is a very, very beautiful trade. And this is how we are able to trade and capitalize on multiple profits in the Forex market. Okay. For those of you joining my, for those of you that have been learning under my tutelage, you guys will be familiar with this analysis and you guys would have been able to, use this analysis to make ends ways in the Forex market. And for those that are new, link is in the description below for you to join the mentorship at this discounted fee and be a part of learning and mastering the Forex market. So do like, share, and subscribe, and see you guys in the next teaching.